quants. As the name says, everything is around Python for finance. You might know my book, I show it in a minute. Python for finance, and we do training, we do services, we run events like these, and longer ones. In London, for example, we run a platform. We've open sourced a few things, we're writing books, so everything is centered around our topic Python for finance. If you're interested to learn more about us, tpq.io is our main landing page.
My name's Mark Higgins. I'm one of the two co-founders and chief operating officer of a company called Beacon, and what we build are basically like platforms for quants in financial services. I've got some post-hedges P&L distribution, kind of an output of this nonlinear function that determines what hedges I should do at any point, and then I'm going to train that nonlinear function to minimize that expected shortfall. This little sort of research project that we did shows that there really is real value in commodity traders looking at this as a better way of hedging these physical assets.
It's about accessing data and cleaning up data and just finding the right kind of data for the project that they want. Again, this process of being able to getting the data and cleaning it up and then doing a simple analysis and plotting it. The goal is to show you how simplified it's going to become with the tool that we're developing in the labs.
So I'm going to talk about imaging and classification of a linear order book in high-performance computing environment using recurrent neural nets. So as I say, you have bulk classification, simplification of the order book, real time. You can do this in real time, local liquidity conditions, time series for further analysis, and order flow detection.
I thought about putting my programming interests and my trading interests together, and I essentially built a program called Tech Trader. From there, I also later started a hedge fund around it that was essentially fully automated. It's been automated for several years now. All of it is completely hands-off. It's not something you go back and tweak. It's essentially a system that trades like a human being, except that it's cloned thousands of times over.
The icon terminal, where you have like the single search, you get all the data that you might require with regard to the Apple stock or whatever. But not even this, I think, is driving this anymore. We have data-driven finance in the form of the API. So we write simply a couple of lines of code and we have access to a gazillion data points. So here it's for a quarter of an hour. We get like close to 2,000 tick data points. Who wants to print or to read it? Probably nobody. But the machine doesn't care. 2,000 points, 20,000, 200,000, 500 million. Doesn't care. But it's not only structured data. When I say, but still I would like to read the news, but the machines are much better at reading the news, right? Roughly 1.5 million articles are published on a daily basis and digested by the likes of Refinitiv and Bloomberg. So who can read that? Even if you nail and boil that down to what is of interest to you, to your portfolio, it simply doesn't work. So news streaming, news analysis in historical ways is what is to be done by the machines as well.